Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of cache. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here you search about cache app and you click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.